Hey guys, in this 2025 breakdown, we're comparing BisectHosting Budget versus Premium. Which upgrades actually make sense for a Minecraft server? First, the budget plan from BisectHosting is a solid pick for smaller or simpler servers. Less RAM, standard SS storage, and basic backup options. It's great for casual play or a friend group server. On the other hand, the premium plan unlocks more RAM, faster storage, uptime priority, and more frequent backups, which is huge when you're running modded servers or having many players. If you're planning to run heavy mod packs, the extra RAMs prevents lag. Premium backups make sure you won't lose progress when things go wrong, and more storage supports bigger worlds. In short, budget is okay if you're just starting or keeping your server small, but premium's upgrades, RAM, storage backups are really worth it when your server grows or you want stability under load. So should you upgrade? If performance or growth is on your mind, premium makes sense. If not, budget keep things affordable. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft hosting advice.